Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your different driving modes in your 2019 Lexus ES300h. So, in order to access this feature, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the right hand side of the steering wheel, and once we do, we're going to twist this knob right here. First you're going to do is you're going to click on it and then switch the knobs, and what it does, if you want to go up, it will go to sport mode. It will switch up the speedometer dial and gives you more of a engine response in this vehicle, and the transmission shifts a little bit more sportier, giving you a different feel for driving. If you want to go the complete opposite, we could go eco mode, which saves you gas, and it will shift at a higher gear so you get more gas mileage and stuff like that. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.